Come tour Origin 1507 with me. Immediately to your left as you enter is bedroom 1 out of 3. All bedrooms in this vacation rental are equipped with a king bed and views of the PCB Strip. This bedroom connects to the next with a Jack and Jill bathroom with a shower tub combo. Bedroom 2 boasts a bright, open, and airy space. Bedroom 3 is my favorite, the master bedroom. This bedroom has the best view of Panama City Beach. Imagine starting your vacation days off with a coffee out on your own private balcony. It's also the only room with a full private bathroom. It also has a large walk-in closet, perfect for storage or a pack and play for traveling families. Here in the common areas, you can lounge with a view of the Gulf, enjoy dinners with the family, and entertain with more than enough space for everyone. We even have an extra half bath in the hallway. I know this is where I'll be every morning. This breakfast bar is perfect for quick eating and sipping your daily latte. With this open kitchen layout, you're able to enjoy cooking in our fully stocked kitchen and still be able to entertain. We've even got more sitting space with this wide kitchen island, and with Host PCB, you can trust that it's been cleaned to perfection. Lastly, and most importantly, the views. Visit hostpcb.com and book Origin 1507 today.